This presentation will provide valuable insight into the superior quality of the Elran products and allow you to understand why thousands of consumers choose Elran. Elran, Canada's largest manufacturer of motion furniture, thanks you for your attention. A consumer favorite as soon as it appeared in showrooms, Elran motion furniture excelled in design and quality, both at the manufacturing and comfort levels. Let's have a closer look at why this is so and discover the Elran difference. Who would have thought the idea conceived by two Montreal businessmen over 3 decades ago and still going strong would have reaped such great success? In 1967, Irving Lubin and Howard Schaefer became Canada's first manufacturers of motion furniture. They called their company Elran as a tribute to their respective children Ellen and Randy. The company's destiny now rests in the hands of the second generation, headed by Sheldon Lubin and Eric Abecassis, respectively President and Vice President. Elran quickly became an industry leader in motion furniture. Located in the Montreal suburb of Pointe-Claire, the 250,000 square foot plant employs 650 workers on a daily basis. In 1997, the company took an important turn towards the foreign market. Elran products are now distributed across Canada, the United States, Europe, and the Middle East, which places the company among the largest exporters of Canadian furniture. An Elran recliner is first and foremost a product that rests on a patented and exclusive system of rails. The design of this system renders all the components detachable. Take this recliner, for example. It is the image of all our other products: sofas, love seats, and chairs. Let's have a look underneath. At the heart of every recliner is the sophisticated metal mechanism for which Elran has been famous for over 3 decades. This exclusive mechanism was designed by the world-renowned manufacturers Leggett and Platt. Elran is so sure of its manufacturing quality that it offers a lifetime warranty on this mechanism. The genius behind this mechanism is the use of weight and gravity for deployment. A light pressure, equivalent to 1.5 pounds on the handle located on the side, allows you to recline it. This handle, which is linked to a steel bar, crosses the mechanism, ensuring greater stability. Elran prefers this type of deployment over push buttons or spring-released mechanisms because it greatly reduces the possibility of breakage, and the consumer is assured of being able to return the chair to its original position with ease and comfort. Customers particularly appreciate the flexibility of our mechanism. Another great quality of the Elran mechanism is the double landing gear. When the reclining mechanism goes into action, small wheels gently land on the rails located on each side. This type of reclining assures unending stability and bearing. Contrary to a central or single landing gear-based mechanism, our mechanism will not weaken with use because, quite simply, it offers better weight distribution. Made of a blend of sturdy, hard-working plastic, our rocker glides are another great advantage. The plastic blend makes the reclining process smooth and fluid. Let's now have a look at the frame. The wooden frame consists of 3/4 inch poplar birch plywood, 2 hardwoods, and timber strand, a state-of-the-art construction material. Timber strand is a mixture of compressed and glued wood laminates selected for its strength, stability, and most of all its imperviousness to climatic changes, heat, cold, humidity. The wooden frame maintains rigidity and will not spring or bend. This winning combination allows Elran to offer a lifetime warranty. Note that the U-shaped one-piece transverse piece in back has been designed to keep the arms from oscillating or weakening with time. Once the frame is completed, chair assembly enters an important step, the making of what we call the comfort zone. Depending on the model, Elran uses two types of springs. In the industry, these are known as no-sag and Morley. 3 decades of experience manufacturing upholstered furniture leads us to conclude that no other will better meet our stringent comfort standards. Our springs are attached to the sturdy timber strand frame at the front and back. These springs offer balanced distribution of weight and give the greatly appreciated floating sensation consumers seek. A half-inch piece of felt is then placed over the springs to protect the foam that will later be added. The comfort of our chairs doesn't depend entirely on the springs, but also on the pre-crushed foam they contain. In this regard, consistency and endurance are Elran's 2 watchwords. The density of our foam is 1.9 pounds per cubic foot, while the industry standard is 1.8. This difference of 1/10 may seem minimal, but when it comes to durability, it's enormous. With wear, contrary to a lower density foam, the consumer is assured that his or her recliner will retain its shape. And as for compression, Elran demands a ratio between 27 and 32 pounds to meet our comfort criteria. As you will see, the upholstery of the arm and back supports has also been carefully thought out. The upholstery consists of non-recycled 100% polyester silicone-treated fiber. Using a specifically designed machine, Elran transforms this fiber into a finished product that is then blown into the arm and back supports. This technique leaves no air pockets inside the chair. The volume injected is calculated to meet strict Elran comfort standards. We prefer this technique over simply inserting a cushion that over time will lose its shape and style. Finally, let's see how the back support is finished. Hidden Velcro appliques over the back keep the fabric finish looking great. The Velcro makes it possible to lift the fabric and access the back support. Inside are 2 exclusive Elran clip-in fasteners. To retain the solidity and balance required for comfort, the back support can be removed or replaced with a simple click of the fasteners. In addition, the alignment is fully guaranteed. Elran prefers the clip-in system because, with time, screws and bolts deteriorate. A detachable back has other advantages. It assures better protection at packaging, intact delivery of the product, and easy access to limited spaces. Leveling feet are included with the furniture. These are used to adjust the comfort angle and to compensate for uneven floors or carpeting. Elran offers consumers the option of adding a pivoting base that allows the chair to rotate 360 degrees. Easy to install, you simply add a stabilizing bar to the mechanism and attach the pivoting base. Since the Elran mechanism is universal, the consumer can add the pivoting base at any time. With Elran, the consumer is also assured of finding the perfect style. Elran manufactures over 130 models of motion and stationary furniture and offers its collection in over 500 varieties of leather and fabric. Delivery is one of the fastest in the industry. Elran strives to supply its entire collection within acceptable deadlines. Elran's service is among the most avant-garde in the industry. With our toll-free phone number across North America, the retailer doesn't need to worry about after-sales service. Elran has it in hand. With our toll-free number, our technicians go directly to the consumer's home to carry out any repairs still under warranty. Consumers may reach our after-sales service at any time by calling 1-800-361-6546. 1-800-361-6546. As you have just seen, the enviable reputation of Elran Furniture was forged over the years through warranty of quality and comfort, backed by irreproachable after-sales service. Whether you're a supplier, retailer, or consumer, our tradition, knowledge, and 3 decades of success in business are living proof of our loyalty, honesty, fidelity, and most of all, the Elran commitment to the future.